Welcome everyone to Mindful Mentors 12. I'm so excited to be talking to you all today about something that I'm really passionate about and something that's increasingly important for all of us learning. Specifically, we're going to be diving into the exciting world of online learning in 2025 and exploring how artificial intelligence can become your secret weapon. You see, in the past, online learning might have felt impersonal or a little overwhelming. But today, things are different. AI is changing the game, making online learning more personalized, engaging, and effective than ever before. It's like having a personal tutor available to you 24/7, tailoring your learning experience to your unique needs and goals. So, whether you're a student, a professional looking to upskill, or someone just passionate about lifelong learning, this video is for you. We'll unlock the secrets of how to use AI to supercharge your online learning journey and make it a truly rewarding experience. Let's get started. Let's imagine for a second that you're back in a traditional classroom. You might have some students who grasp concepts quickly, while others need a little more time and support. Now, imagine if the teacher could tailor their teaching style, the pace of the lessons, and even the homework assignments to each student's individual needs. That's the power of AI-enhanced learning platforms. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and yes, even Khan Academy are using the power of AI to transform the way we learn online. These platforms analyze your learning patterns, your strengths, and your areas for improvement. They use this data to create a personalized learning path just for you. Think about it. Let's say you're struggling with a particular concept in your online physics course. An AI-powered platform can detect this difficulty and automatically adjust the difficulty of the material, provide you with additional practice problems, or even recommend supplementary videos to help you master that concept. And the best part is, this personalized approach isn't limited to just one subject. Whether you're learning a new language on Duolingo, diving into data science on DataCamp, or exploring history on Khan Academy, AI is there to guide you every step of the way. These platforms are constantly learning and evolving just like you. They use your progress and feedback to refine the learning experience, making sure you're always challenged just the right amount and never left feeling lost or overwhelmed. It's like having a personal tutor who knows exactly how to push you to reach your full potential, all while providing a safety net to catch you if you stumble. So, as you embark on your online learning adventure, be sure to explore these AI-enhanced platforms and experience the future of personalized education. Okay, let's face it, staying organized and managing our time effectively is a challenge for most of us, especially when juggling work, studies, and life in general. But what if I told you that your own personal assistant is just a voice command away? I'm not talking about hiring someone to follow you around with a to-do list. I'm talking about the incredible power of smart virtual assistants like Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, or Siri. These digital companions are changing the way we approach our daily tasks, and yes, that includes our learning journeys. Imagine this, you're getting ready for your day and you ask your virtual assistant, "Hey Google, what's on my study schedule today?" Instantly you get a rundown of your planned study sessions, upcoming deadlines, and even suggestions for relevant study materials, but it doesn't stop there. These AI-powered assistants can be your study buddies, helping you stay on track and make the most of your time. Need a reminder to review those vocabulary words later? Just tell your assistant. Want to listen to an educational podcast during your commute? Your assistant can queue it up for you. And here's a thought, struggling to understand a complex concept? Ask your virtual assistant. They can access a vast database of information and provide you with concise explanations, definitions, and even relevant videos. It's all about integrating these amazing tools into your daily routine and letting them take care of the smaller tasks so you can focus on what matters most, learning and absorbing new knowledge. So, embrace the world of smart virtual assistants and let them become your partners in success. You'll be amazed at how much more you can accomplish when you have a little AI help by your side. Now, remember when we talked about the benefits of personalized learning? Well, it gets even more exciting. Enter the world of interactive AI tutors, your on-demand guides to mastering any subject. Imagine having a tutor who's available 24/7, ready to answer your questions, provide instant feedback, and guide you through challenging concepts. That's the power of AI-powered tutors like those found on platforms like ScribeSense, or even embedded within educational websites and apps. Let's say you're working on a writing assignment. You've poured your heart into that essay, but you're not sure if it's really hitting the mark. This is where an AI writing tutor can be a lifesaver. You can submit your work and within seconds receive feedback on your grammar, sentence structure, clarity, and even the overall flow and organization of your ideas. But it goes beyond just writing. These AI tutors can help you with math problems, coding challenges, and even learning a new language. They act as your virtual study partners, providing hints, explanations, and personalized exercises to help you grasp even the most complex ideas. The beauty of interactive AI tutors is that they provide a safe space to learn and make mistakes. You can experiment, try different approaches, and receive immediate feedback without the fear of judgment. It's like having a patient and supportive mentor right by your side, guiding you every step of the way. So embrace the power of interactive AI tutors and unlock a world of personalized learning support. Whether you're a student aiming for top marks or a lifelong learner eager to explore new horizons, these AI-powered companions can help you reach your full academic potential. Now, let's talk about a topic that's often overlooked, but is absolutely crucial for effective learning. Understanding our own progress. It's like running a race without knowing your pace, your distance, or even if you're heading in the right direction. That's where the magic of AI-powered analytics comes in. These intelligent tools act as your personal data detectives, gathering insights about your learning habits, strengths, and areas for improvement. Imagine having a detailed report card that not only shows your grades, but also analyzes your study patterns, identifies your most productive learning times, and even predicts potential roadblocks you might encounter. AI-powered analytics platforms, many of which are integrated into the learning platforms we discussed earlier, can track your progress in ways you wouldn't believe. They can tell you how much time you're spending on each subject, identify concepts you're excelling at, and pinpoint areas where you might need to dedicate a little extra effort. But it's not just about collecting data, it's about turning that data into actionable insights. These platforms can offer personalized recommendations to optimize your study schedule, suggest specific learning resources tailored to your needs, and even connect you with other learners who share similar goals. Think of it as having a personal coach who analyzes your every move, not to criticize, but to help you become the best learner you can be. They provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to take control of your learning journey and achieve your academic goals. So, don't be afraid to delve into the world of AI-powered analytics. Embrace the data, understand your learning patterns, and use these insights to your advantage. You'll be amazed at how much more effective and rewarding your online learning experience can become. Let's be honest, we've all experienced the frustration of encountering learning materials that feel generic, irrelevant, or just plain boring. It's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. It just doesn't work. That's where the power of content personalization engines comes in. These intelligent tools are designed to curate and tailor learning content to your unique interests, skills, and learning goals. It's like having a personal librarian who knows your taste in books better than you do. Imagine this. You log into your online learning platform and instead of being bombarded with a generic list of courses, you're presented with recommendations that pique your curiosity and align perfectly with your career aspirations. That's the power of personalization. Content personalization engines, like those used by Grammarly, take into account your past learning activity, your stated interests, and even your learning style to create a customized learning experience. Let's say you're learning a new language. A content personalization engine can analyze your progress, identify your strengths and weaknesses, and then curate a mix of exercises, articles, and videos that target your specific needs. It might even suggest language partners who share your interests, making the learning process more engaging and effective. But it doesn't stop there. These engines can also adapt the difficulty level of the content, the presentation style, and even the type of feedback you receive based on your preferences and learning patterns. It's all about creating a learning experience that feels tailor-made for you, keeping you motivated, engaged, and excited to learn. So embrace the power of content personalization engines and say goodbye to the days of generic, one-size-fits-all learning. As we've explored today, artificial intelligence is transforming the landscape of online learning, making it more accessible, personalized, and effective than ever before. It's no longer a futuristic concept, but a powerful tool at our fingertips. To truly harness the power of AI for your online learning journey, remember to set clear, achievable goals. Use these incredible AI tools to monitor your progress, identify areas for improvement, and stay motivated along the way. Embrace the power of collaboration, connect with fellow learners, and leverage AI-powered platforms to share knowledge and expand your understanding. And most importantly, don't be afraid to experiment. Try different AI-driven learning techniques, explore various platforms, and discover what works best for your unique learning style. Remember, the future of learning is here, and it's powered by AI, so embrace the possibilities, unlock your full potential, and embark on a journey of lifelong learning with confidence and excitement. Subscribe to Mindful Mentors 12 for more secrets and strategies to excel